said, it's weird. It's weird how we as even as human beings, we can pick up on that trait. We can pick up on people's vibrations like that, where you can tell, this person is nervous, or this person not ready, or this person, like you said, like when you were gun shy, and you can pick up on that. Like that's big, but that also that fear and that nervousness, when you're putting it into anything that you're trying to do or trying to build, it's like putting the wrong seasoning in your food. You can taste it. It's going to come up.
That's good.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
that's good.
It's so like, it's that fear, that doubt is go into that pot of whatever you're trying to cook up. And when you try to serve it, it's not going to feel right. It's not going to taste right, because you got that fear in it. And you gotta, that's all these 5 inches right here, man. Like, ear to ear, what's going on in between here is what you got to fix to get that out of your head, get out your own way.